I have this mechanical pencil, and I thought it was way too boring. So I'm going to be making it even better. Let's go. I wanted to look through my parts to see which ones would match it. I found this yellow part of a mechanical pencil. I think this will work. So I'm going to just test it and see if it works. For some reason, whenever I push the end, it just like falls out. I'm going to have to use a different part than that. I wonder if this part will work. It seems to work, so I think I'm going to go with this. This eraser would go perfect with this pencil. I have to take this eraser off, and then put it on this pencil. There we go. Right now we have this as the mechanical pencil, but I kind of want to add something else to this because this is just a little bit boring. Ooh, maybe this grip. Let's try this. That looks pretty good. Maybe a different color? I'm gonna try some other colors with it. I really like the way the red looks on this pencil. I think this grip makes it really good for spinning, but I might experiment a little bit more. I'm just gonna make sure it's really smooth on this part. Yeah, I think that works. And there we go. This is the finished product. I really love the way this mechanical pencil can pen spin. And yeah, it just feels really smooth. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.